In this question, you have to identify the organism that do not produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Option A, green sulfur bacteria. Now, green sulfur bacteria are anoxygenic photosynthetic bacteria. That is, they do not produce oxygen during photosynthesis because they use hydrogen sulfide or other sulfate compounds as an electron donor instead of water. So, in this process, there is the production of sulfur or sulfate ion instead of oxygen. Thus, it is the correct option. Option B, nostoc. It is incorrect because nostoc is a cyanobacterium that performs oxygenic photosynthesis. That is, they use water as an electron donor to produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Option C, chara. Now, it is also incorrect because it is a green algae that undergoes oxygenic photosynthesis. Option D, cycas. It is also incorrect because cycas is a gymnosperm that carries out oxygenic photosynthesis.